Hello everyone, I'm Nathan Foster and this video is being made by request. I had someone ask me how in OBS Studio you switch from the desktop to the gameplay just so quickly, just like that. So let me show you how to make that button. We've got one right here, but let me make a new one for you. It's actually extremely simple. So I'm going source visibility. Okay. Source visibility right there. All right, now let me pull over my OBS so you can actually see what's going on. We're gonna have a bit of inception here. On my OBS right here, I have, oh, that's labeled Titanfall, but anyway, that's my gameplay right there. Then on top of that is my display capture. Right now it is enabled. So we want to be able to disable it and re-enable it right on the fly. So we're gonna go to Scene, Start, because that is the scene that I'm currently on right now. It's called Start. And we go down here to the source and hit display capture. There's the button. All we have to do is press it and it turns off right here, display capture. Press it again, turns display capture back on. It's not anything special, not anything crazy, but it is a very nice switch if you're pulling up a video, pulling up something on your screen over top your game and you want your viewers to see it. You just press that button and there you go. All right, well, that is the tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed it. For anyone wondering where on earth my aviation videos went, they're coming. Don't worry, we haven't given up on that. I am still going to learn to fly. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Yeah, have a nice night.